The Lord has made a way for salvation. Today is the day. Choose life and the heavens will ring. Choose Christ and together we will sing. But the Lord has made a way. As for salvation, today is the day. Choose life and the heavens will ring. Choose Christ and together we will sing. The Lord won't leave us in the ground. Angels will come with heavenly sounds. He'll raise us to his right hand, to the morning lights of the glorious land.